In this video, you'll learn how to set up a second brain using a Notion template. This process will help you organize your thoughts, ideas, and projects effectively within the Notion platform. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Ensure that you are logged into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to access the features offered by Notion. Next, locate the templates section on the main dashboard. This area contains various pre-made templates designed for different purposes. Click on the templates option to proceed further. After accessing the templates, use the search bar to type in second brain. This will filter the available templates to show options related to your query. Review the templates that appear to find one that resonates with your organizational needs. Once you have identified a suitable template, click on it for more details. This will take you to a page that elaborates on the features and structure of the second brain template, giving you insight into how it can be utilized. Following that, click on the Add button to incorporate the selected template into your Notion workspace. This action will create a copy of the template for your personal use, allowing you to customize it according to your preferences. Then click on Second Brain by BrainBlock's trademark to open the template. This template is designed to help you manage various aspects of your life, including personal growth, projects, and resources. Next, navigate to the View section. Here you will find different categories that allow you to input details about your well-being and track your progress over time. This feature is essential for maintaining an organized overview of your personal development. After that, click on Resources and References. This section serves as a repository for all your important resources. You can easily add new pages to keep your references organized and accessible. Now, proceed to the Notes and Lists area. This feature enables you to jot down notes or create lists for tasks. Inputting your thoughts here is crucial for keeping track of ideas and reminders. Next, select the specific note you wish to edit. This is where you can input detailed information or tasks that you want to remember or accomplish. Personalizing this section enhances its usefulness. Following this, click on Personal Growth. This part of the template displays your progress in various areas, allowing you to visualize your development over time and adjust your goals accordingly. Then navigate to the Relationships section. This area provides insights into your connections with others, helping you understand your social interactions better. After that, click on Projects. Here, you will see all your ongoing projects organized neatly. This feature aids in project management by keeping everything in one place. Next, select Deadlines. This section allows you to keep track of important due dates related to your projects, ensuring you stay on schedule and meet your commitments. Then click on Priority. This feature helps you categorize tasks based on their urgency, providing clarity on what needs immediate attention. Afterwards, select Status. This section shows the current status of your projects, allowing you to monitor progress and make necessary adjustments. Finally, click on Archived. This area displays completed tasks, giving you a sense of accomplishment and a record of what you have achieved over time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial